So I think this is going to be the easiest recipe ever as long as you can count to the number 1. Because I got 1 stick of butter, a cup of peanut butter, a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the butter is softened. It's been sitting out for an hour or so. If you don't have softened butter, if you forget to set it out, you can stick it in the microwave for like 10 seconds and it's pretty much softened butter. You want to rake this in? We're just going to combine all this except for the flour first. Okay, go ahead. And then we'll just slowly add the flour into it until it forms into a dough. So I stuck this peanut butter in the microwave for like 20 seconds also, just so it rakes out a little bit easier. And there's a little pack for you today. For whatever reason, the vanilla comes out faster than you think it should. As long as it's not super incorporated, you can probably soak some of that up with a paper towel. All that kind of mixed up, looking like dough and stuff, and I'm just going to put some flour on my hands, a little bit on yours, and then we'll just rub these together. And I'm just going to roll these into golf ball-ish size balls.
I'm going to paddle now.
Okay.
So we can have peanut butter cookies.
Some peanut butter cookies. So something like that, maybe a little big. Anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. Alright. And then just barely smash it down until it starts kind of looking like a cookie. Let's see what that looks like. Alright, we'll go with that. Just smash that one a little bit more. Okay, so I've just got a little bit of flour on this fork and I'm just going to do this super cliche crosshatch thing for whatever reason because they're peanut butter cookies. At about 11 minutes at 350 and they look like I might can get them up with a spatula instead of a spoon. So we're just going to see what happens. Bam, yeah. That looks like a cookie. And we're just moving them to a cooling rack.
I'm going to comment if you like this video.